This is Amazon Fire HD 10 I have in front of me, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. To start, as you can see, my Amazon tablet has the Play Store app installed, which is not something that you will have by default, as well as not something you will be able to easily set up and get in general. But I would like to recommend another video we have about how to install Google services and use Google apps conveniently as on any other Android device for this Amazon tablet. So before you check this video out, make sure to, well, see or watch the video that I've just mentioned. So with this out of the way, launch the Play Store, sign into your Google account. Of course, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi. Then find the Opera app and, well, install it. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the blue continue button, or actually you will not need to do that. It will automatically get you to the last page where you can customize the data collection preferences that an Opera will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for if, well, privacy is none of your concern, and start using the Opera app. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.